This video is brought to you courtesy of ThunderbirdBob.com, your resource for retro Thunderbird parts. I'm on the road in Tampa, picked up this cream puff. It's got a broken mirror, so I thought I'd take an opportunity to show you guys how to change it out. Luckily, I just happen to have a spare one in my shed. Yes, I realize it's the wrong color, but better the wrong color than no mirror for a 1,000-mile trip. So what you're going to need to remove the mirror is a number 11 metric socket. I think 7/8 is probably pretty close. It might work. And your fingers. So first step, open the door. And yes, I do apologize. I have prepped this slightly, but it really is pretty easy. And contrary to popular opinion, you do not have to remove the entire door panel, take it off. So this first piece here, you can use tools. It's got what's kind of a partial, these partial hinges on the bottom. I'll show you in a second. So you do want to take it from the top. You can squeeze it. You can either get your fingers or tools in here. I have broken these in the past, so do take some time. And again, what you want to do is get a tool right where the point is, and and force it out there. So as you can see, these are the two that kind of act like a hinge on the bottom, and then you've got this top one here that holds it in. So that's really what's holding it in. I think the wire goes through the middle here. You'll normally find the wire tucked in down in here. Once you get this off, if you can't get it out, you can wait till the mirror comes off to get the wire. You will notice, let me see if I can show you, this little tab here. To get it off, you just need to push it up and this piece will come right out. So yes, I have taken these three off and got this one loose with my wrench prior to starting the video, but I'm assuming everybody knows how to use a socket wrench, so I won't bore you with that part. We've got this off, and voila, mirror's off. And now I'm going to get my lovely red one on. Basically just reverse the process. 3 bolts, a wire, and a cover. Any questions? You guys know where to find me online. Take care.